How to create Threads account. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create Threads account. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to create a Threads account, first of all you may just launch your Instagram app. It is one of the most easiest way on creating a Threads account, and you need to have the Threads application downloaded onto your device. So you just need to head over to your profile at the bottom right, and when you head over to the profile, you can see edit profile option. You can see this show Threads badge option. Just turn it on, even though if you don't have a Threads account. And when you turn it on, you can see an sign below your profile. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, it says get Threads, which means you just need to create your account in Threads app, and it will directly take you to Threads app. If you have already downloaded the Threads app, it just may take a while to load. After that, you may just select the privacy of your Threads profile, like if you want a public profile or a private profile. I'm selecting public profile and tapping on continue. After that, you may just read the terms and tap on join Threads. After tapping on join Threads, there you go, you have successfully created your own Threads account. You may just head over to your profile section to see your profile, and that's how you basically create or get your Threads account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.